This tutorial review will show you how to autoplay YouTube video on Facebook page. The YouTube videos that you share on Facebook don't play automatically. Facebook does not give the privilege to YouTube to play videos on their platform. Thus, when you share a YouTube video on Facebook, it shows in the form of a link instead of a video player. You can download video from YouTube using third-party services and then upload them on Facebook. Go to your YouTube, search for the video you want to share on Facebook and open it. At the top of the page, copy the URL of the page. Once you copied the YouTube video link, you have to download the video. Some different third-party apps and websites help you convert and download YouTube videos. Just a quick Google search will help you out with finding one. Paste the URL in the app or website, then download the video. And it's time to upload the YouTube video to your Facebook. Once you have the video on your computer, go to Facebook and open your Facebook page. And here you will find the option to upload the video. Now, all you have to need is just upload the video here and post the YouTube video. Now, you can enable the autoplay video for Facebook by going to your settings and click on videos. And here you'll find the option autoplay video. So you have to click on this drop down and from here you have to select on. That's how we can autoplay YouTube video on Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.